There are moments when you suddenly realize that one day, you and your friends will take different paths. Each of you will lead your own lives, attending different universities and leaving your hometown to follow your dreams. Your friends may become distant, and you'll be unsure of when you'll meet again or create new shared experiences. Everyone will find themselves entangled in the demands and hectic nature of pursuing success and striving to fulfill their aspirations. So now, as we are in this moment, let us enjoy the little things with our friends and dig them deep within our hearts.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around.
Iwan natin silang lahat, tayo muna hanggang sa pagdilat pupurahin. Lahat ng alaala kasama sila. Saglit lang tayo munang dalawa.